Suswagatam, Suswagatam, Suswagatam. Good morning all, my dear friends and children. भारत रत्न अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी आंतरराष्ट्रीय शाळा खर्डी नंबर 1 इयत्ता 2. Today we are going to learn about A sound. How to pronounce A. There is a chart. You can see that chart? Yes. And that chart there are many pictures. We can read it one by one. Look at this picture. Cat. How can you read C-A-T? Cat. Next picture is bat. B-A-T. B-A-T. Bat. That picture is man. M-A-N. M-A-N. Man. This is bag. B-A-G. B-A-G. Bag. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Another picture is mat. M-A-T. M-A-T. Mat. Jam. J-A-M. J-A-M. Jam. Next picture is can. C-A-N. Can. Another picture is tap. T-A-P. Tap. The next picture is rat. R-A-T. Rat. So, this chart, you can read it, this chart, and after that, with the help of this chart, you should solve this worksheet. This is very simple. You can read that instruction and solve this worksheet. So thank you and bye bye.